If your Kohler toilet continuously runs or doesn't flush correctly, the flush tower washer may be to blame. This washer seals the flush tower, and when it wears out, the toilet can run, ghost flush, and just not operate properly. Fortunately, replacing it is a simple DIY friendly fix. It doesn't even require any tools. Let me show you how it's done. First thing you want to do is rotate your toilet shutoff valve clockwise until it shuts off completely. Now we'll go ahead and flush the toilet, and while you're at it, plunge that like button too. Go ahead and remove the tank lid, and this is where you'll find the flush tower. Pull the hose off of the tower, and take the centerpiece, and you're going to rotate it counterclockwise a quarter turn. The entire flush tower will now pull up. You can now remove the existing gasket. Note that not all of them are going to be yellow, but the replacement gasket will still be a fit. Visually examine where the gasket was and make sure that there's not any remnants still stuck on. If there are, go ahead and clean them up so the new one can seat properly. Do the same for the base of the tower as well. Now we'll take the new seal, which will be linked in the video description, and we'll go ahead and slide it on where the old one was. With the new seal in place, we're going to reinstall the tower. Note the grooves in the centerpiece. Go ahead and line them up into the base. And rotate clockwise a quarter turn. Readjust the placement of the chain. And reinsert your hose. Turn your valve back on. Make sure water comes to a stop. Reinstall the lid. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. With the washer replaced, there's one final thing to note, and that is that the fill valve within the toilet works in conjunction with this washer. What this means is that when one of these products fails, the other is usually going to follow suit shortly thereafter. Therefore, it's good practice to go ahead and replace the fill valve while you're at it. For easy steps on how to do so, go ahead and check out this video right here.